smiling on a regular. Meet me upon the corner in a 10. Blown a little thing, what girl me know it, I go circle ya. Back up, cause someone time for me. Jack up, cause I'm the area. It's on my brain and my nose. But baby, get your smile on my. You want it only. I know you want me. I see you smiling, shit.
Hello beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie, and in today's video I'll be reviewing and installing this Yankee twist crochet hair I got from Amazon. So the hair is from the store YOUNGTHER, and that's how my package came in. It came in this ziploc looking bag. So I did a quick unboxing, and inside the bag you have 6 packs of the Yankee twist and of course a free crochet pin. So taking it out of the pack, first off, I'm really impressed how soft the hair feels. The texture is like a kinky natural hair, and the twist is like a mini passion twist. Also, there are no tangles at all. You just have to finger comb through and the braid separates easily. There is no foul smell or odor. You can really tell the twist is handmade and not machine made because of how neat it looks. There's a 12 inches Yankee twist crochet braids, and it's 3 colored. The top is color 1B, the middle is color 30, and the ends is color 27. Again, it's curly from the top to the ends. There is no straight braids, and the curls look super bouncy. So I already have my cornrows in. I did 10 cornrow braids in total. I have these 2 in the middle going across for the middle part, and these 2 on the side going across for the side part. That's how the back looks. I have this braid going across as well. So the hair comes in pre-looped, and it's 40 strands per pack, so 240 strands in total. And since it's pre-looped, it's super easy and fast to install. All you have to do is to loosen up the loop like this, and you are ready to crochet in. So for today's video, I'll be crocheting in 2 strands at a time because I want it really quick. From here on, it's just to crochet the hair in, and I believe at this point we all know how to crochet. Again, I'll be leaving about half or an inch space between each crochet because I don't want to bulk it up. And I'll be double knotting to secure it. So I'll be leaving the link to this particular hair and the store in the video description. They have them available in different colors, so be sure to check them out. Also, make sure to stick around to the end to find out the cute ways I styled this.
Body's like a drug, I can't keep it up, and it's like you don't want nobody, yeah. Cause it's like your body coming like crack. Why you gotta do me like that, yeah? Come on in. Don't mean to make a big deal, but just how you walk with your head high up in the air. You're comforting me with it, no. You're confidence, but you make a man wanna look up with you, cause you make me fall in love. Cause you're pretty, me coming back, yeah, yeah. You make me want come here. Every little thing you ever wanted, dear. Cause you know you're pretty like your name sincere. Looking like a Barbie, yeah. And I know you want me cause your eyes been on me, yeah. I'm on to you. You gotta say you don't want me. I ain't the nigga you can fuck as a homie. And I ain't tryna be lonely. So know I gotta do more than you know. Let's find out right here. This body's like a drug. I can't keep it up, and it's like you don't want nobody, yeah. Cause it's like your body coming like crack. Why you gotta do me like that? This body's like a drug.
So I'm finally done with the crochet and I used all 6 packs. The hair really feels lightweight yet it's so full. The 6 packs is actually enough for a full head, but then if you want a big head or a more fuller look, then I suggest you get an extra 2 pack. Here I'm just trimming and shaping it up a bit, which is completely optional. You can choose to leave it as it is. So I had the hair in for 4 weeks and the curls were still intact when I took them out. Also, this hair doesn't tangle at all. If at any point the hair appears a little bit dull, you just have to add in some styling mousse, a curling cream or any hair serum of your choice. It's water friendly so it can be washed and reinstalled, which I plan on doing. I'm really obsessed with these colors. I love how they blend and transition into each other so well. Initially, I was having second thoughts on these colors, but was I wrong? Yes, I was, because they are so perfect and they complement my skin so well. These braids are so versatile. It can be styled in different ways, which I'll be demonstrating in the next few clips.
Baby, I don't wanna be your friend. Wanna be the type of girl you smiling on a regular. Meet me upon the corner in a 10. Blunt a little thing, what girl me know it, I go circle ya. Back up, got someone trying for me. Jack up, cause in the area. It's in my brain, yeah, my nose. But baby, get your smile on high. You want it only. I know you want me, I see you smiling shit. I don't do anything, but I'm still on you when my face stay. I want you give me that every minute. I want to be the one to make you smile right late. Nobody dilly dally, so bring your good body. I got the vibe when you want fuck when I say yo. And girl your body nice, yeah. You're funny, yeah. Wish me never just funny, girl. Oh, and you got me excited. Tonight is when I make it turn up, baby. Just say that you want me like I want you, girl. Tell your girl that just the way where you make my feel right now. Come here, baby, let me give you one dance. From this day, you're gonna need me at the end. Could I even get on one chain? Baby, just put me into your place. Baby, no, I forgive you all, I'm a baby. Baby, you know you really want it anyway. Come on, I'ma give you some right now. When I say yo, and girl, your body nice, yeah. You're fine, yeah. Wish me never just find it. Oh, and you got me excited. Tonight is when I make it turn up, baby. Just say.
There you have it, guys. That'll be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. The link to this particular hair will be in the video description. Also, let me know which of these styles is your favorite and feel free to ask me any question as well. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.